so in this video tutorial, let's talk about the request for disclosure attack. Okay, that's this dispute letter right here. It's under data furnishers. Okay, I already have 4 data furnishers selected. So if I were to go back to all accounts and I go under the data furnishers tab, you can see the 4, and I'll just select one more. So it's 5 now. And then I'm going to go to disputes. Now, you can request, like with the request for disclosure attack, this gives you the ability to gain your entire file that they have about you or that they've compiled about you. So for instance, like these data furnishers who collect all this information about you and report it to the major 3 credit reporting agencies, you can request that information so you can see. It's basically a credit report. That's exactly actually what it is. You can request for that so that you can see what they're reporting about you, and you can also dispute that. Okay, I'm actually going to be releasing the request, and the request to, or basically it's a dispute letter, and you're going to basically dispute what's on that report. So that's a letter that's coming soon. But this document right here, I've already selected all 4, and it's going to request the disclosure. So it has the FCRA laws, 15 USC 1681G. So you can look that up yourself. And so basically you're just asking for that file. Okay, let's go ahead and click create letter, and that is how you request your credit report from them. All right.